This is the vintage or old-fashioned kind of drill chuck. Every time you wanted to change the drill bit, you have to use a key. This is the key. So you have to loosen this. Then if you want to change, put a new one, then tighten it, and then you have to tighten the chuck in 3 areas: here, here, and here. If you want to change the bit again, you have to loosen this, turn it, get your new bit, and then place it back. So it destroys the momentum when you are fixing things. Old-fashioned chuck design is found in usually corded electric drills. Then the keyless chuck came along. You did not have to use any key. If you wanted to change bits, you just turn it, loosen it, remove it, get the bit you want, and then just turn it and then tighten it like that, and it's ready to go. If you want to change it again, just loosen it, remove the bit, get the new bit you want, and then tighten it. But it's still time consuming because you have to turn and then tighten, turn and then tighten. Now there's an accessory which allows you to have a quick release system for both your keyless chuck and your old-fashioned chuck using a key that still uses a key. So I'm referring to this quick release bit holder. You just pull it down. By the way, you have to use a shank that has a hexagon. You have to use a drill bit which has a hexagon shank. Round shanks won't do. So you have just pull it down and you're ready to go. If you want to change bits, just pull it down again and then release, get the bit you want, and then change it. Now, to make your old-fashioned drill bit quick release, all you have to do is put a quick release bit holder, and your old drill bit will now be a quick release drill bit. Quick release drill that allows you to easily change drill bits. You don't have to use the key. Here you don't have to turn it, just pull this area down and then get the new bit you want and then reattach it. It locks in place. Okay, now this comes in at least 3 sizes. This is the long one, there's a medium sized one, and then there's a short one. So again, you don't have to be troubled by still using the key in your old-fashioned electric drill, and you don't have to keep on turning this to be able to change the bit. All you have to do is use a quick release bit holder so that you can easily change drill bits, or quickly change drill bits. Okay, time for coffee. Oh yeah.